H&H Landscape. We're here today in College Park, Orlando, Florida, doing a tree removal. Customer called me, wanted his palm removed. Bought this house for his daughter here. As you can see, we're doing all the bed work, lining, designing of the yard. We got Blake over there firing up the big boy work truck. We're gonna reel the truck in over here, put a tow rope around the base, and yerk this baby out of here. All right. All right, Blake, you got the tow rope?
Yeah.
All right, you're good. It's time to make that money. Let's get to work.
What's on the other side here?
Other side. All right. As you can see, got the nice GMC 2014 Sports Edition on the big boy lift. Oh, let me get out of traffic here. Alright. Please like and subscribe. All views. Thank you. As you see, we got Pavermatics. We got all sorts of traffic. Got the pool man. Alright. And back over here, we got us just a simple tow rope. We're gonna lay that out. Wrap this around. And please, guys, do not try this at home by yourself. Please call your professional H&H Landscape. Please do not try this on your own. We are certified professionals, so please give us a call. Licensed and assured. Alright, let me wrap this around. Get it going here. Yoke her up. Alright. Alright, latch that up there. Alright. Oh no, make sure we got all the slack out. Alright. Yep, get it on there and I'll latch her up. Let's get her done. Get her done. Get her done. H&H Landscape. I'll laugh if he pulls his rear end off the truck. Alright. I'm just playing. Alright, Blake, let me move out the way. Let me get an action of the view. Now just roll a little bit. Extend out your tension. It's a slowly. There you go. Now roll with it, brother. Roll with it. Roll with it, brother. Don't be scared. Roll with it. Come back. Alright. Alright. We're doing a little pulling action here, ladies and gentlemen. Get you in the view. Alright, brother. Go ahead. Roll slow. Slow. Go ahead. Get her done. Oh. Okay, roll back. Roll back. Go ahead. Roll slow. Oh. Rope came off. Okay. Alright. Try this one more little time. Ready, go. Just one more time. The rope came undone here. Just back up. Try this one more time. If it don't work, we'll have to chop, because I don't want to tear up his front yard, you know. Tell you what, back up a little more, Blake. I'm gonna get under this baby. Alright. Hold on. Let me set the camera view down. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So far, it ain't working like we hoped. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, it came off again. Back up. Old dummy don't know how to tie a rope. Okay. Oh shit. Hold on. No, your clip bent. That's what's. Take that extra tension. Look, cause it looks like they're spinning. Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt this trailer. It's a bit solid. Alright. There you go, Blake. You almost got it. Go ahead. Man. Boy, it wants to almost pop out of there, man. Damn. Alright, Blake, tell you what. Keep it. Can you back up? Back up and keep the truck here, and I'll chop it a little more, and then you'll get back. You know what I mean? But keep the truck part. You know, you can back it in so it's off the road. All right, so far, yeah, right there. Yeah, nobody's gonna hit that. Yeah, there you go. Just leave it there. All right. I have to do a little more chipping, ladies and gentlemen. No big deal. No big deal. Let's just get this going. All right. No big deal, no big deal. Alright.
You can put it. I can put the tailgate down.
Can you? Yeah, can you?
I don't think that would work.
Hey,
Here, use your back.
Here, right here. There we go. Yeah, because you got to get it where it can see the hole.
This thing just does not work.
I don't want to come out.